Mama? Are you okay? Are you hurt?
I need food, please. I'm hungry. I need food, please. Food. Oh. Please, I'm hungry.
Okay, Mama. It's okay. Please just come inside. Come inside. Watch your legs. Watch your legs. Mama, I got this for you.
Hey, thank you. God bless you, my son. Thank you.
I'm sorry for almost running you with my car. I didn't mean to. It was a mistake. I'm so sorry. Mama, I wanted to ask you, so where do I drop you after you're done eating? Do you know where you're going to?
Nowhere.
Nowhere? I'm sorry, what do you mean by that?
I don't know where to go. I have nowhere to go.
But, Mama, don't you have any children?
I have children. That is what the word said. And that is what nature says. But I'm a childless mother.
I'm sorry, I don't quite understand what you mean, Ma. Okay. I can see that you're exhausted. So I'm going to give you a room here to stay. Then tomorrow we can pick up this conversation. Okay?
Thank you. God bless you.
You're welcome, Ma.
Thank you.
Please eat. There's a lot more if you want.
Thank you.
Come in now. Come in. So, this will be your room. No, Mama, come. Don't be afraid. Feel free. I'll be in the next room. Just the next room here. If you need anything at all, please don't hesitate. Okay, Mama?
Thank you. God bless you, my son. God bless you.
It's not a problem, Ma.
Thank you.
Please, feel free, huh?
Thank you. God bless you.
Please, rest.
Okay. I was working in a house as a house help and cook. I was there for 8 months. But for reasons best known to them, they wanted to lay me off. So they accused me of theft and threw me away without money. Even all the money I saved for the past 8 months, I could not take any of them. Oh, the rest you know.
So your children, Where are they? And how many do you have?
I know where my first son is, but I don't know where all of them are. I have 4 children, 3 boys and a girl. But like I said, I know where my first son is. His name is Kinsley.
Wow, then why don't we just go up to him? Why didn't you go to him?
When I went to the city, I went to his house and knocked at the gate. When he opened the gate and saw me, he asked me to go back to wherever I was coming from. That he was with his friends and could not introduce me to his friends as his mother.
What does he mean? What does he mean by that?
Maybe he was not proud of my looks and didn't want to be embarrassed. Before I could say anything, he just pushed me out and locked the gate.
Oh no. He did that?
Yes.
I don't understand. Did you do something to your children? Did you offend them?
Yes.
What did you do?
I offended them by not being able to give them the kind of life they wanted.
Mama.
After their father died, they all went to the city to look for greener pastures. They never came back to the village. I tried reaching them, but they were not picking my calls.
My God, what sort of evil is this? Children that you gave birth to from your own womb.
Children are raised by what their parents could afford. Well, that does not mean they don't have their expectations too. In my children's case, I couldn't meet up to their expectations. And this is the result.
So what do you want to do next? What plans do you have for your life? Like, where do you want to go to? What next for you, Mama?
I don't know. I have no plans. I don't know where to go to. I am confused. Even if I'm going to still remain in the village, I don't have roof over my head, nowhere to stay.
Mama? Mama? Wait. There's a doctor. Hold on. There's a hospital nearby. It's my friend. Hold on. Yes, hello? Chicken, come right now. Just come. Where are you? Are you at the... Mama? 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 No. No. Mama! Oh my God, Mama! Good evening. Yes, my name is Jerry Thompson. Am I on to Kingsley, please? As I said, my name is Jerry Thompson. I'm calling you regarding your mother. I'm sorry, she passed away this morning. Yes. I'm going to send you an address where we will meet and talk about the burial arrangements and other details. Also, can you help me speak to your siblings? Okay. All right, that's fine. I'll do that myself. Okay, thank you. Bye. This way. Welcome. You must be Mr. Kingsley.
Yes, I am. Kingsley. You called me here.
Yes, I did.
This is not my father's compound.
I'm quite aware of that. But please come inside. All your questions will be answered. Please. Make yourself at home and comfortable.
If you look at me very well, you will see that I am not a jobless person. I'm a very busy person. You called and said my mother is dead, right?
Yes.
Remind me again, what is your relationship with my mother? Because I have never seen you before, nor heard of you. So why did she die in your house? You don't look like any of my cousins, so what did you do to her?
And what kind of question is that? He called to inform you about your mother and you're accusing him of this. If he killed her, will he call you? Will he?
I'm talking to him. I wasn't talking to you.
Then don't use that tone on the young man who called to inform us about your mother. The same mother you refused to be meeting.
Mr. Man, ask a question. I don't have the time. I need answers right now, please.
First of all, I suggest the both of you settle down and relax. Okay? I will answer all your questions, all of it.
Like I said earlier, I don't have the luxury of time. Please, tell me what happened, what I need to know.
Can you just calm down? Huh?
Why must you always go against me?
I'm not going against you. I'm just trying to be the voice of reasoning here.
Oh, you're saying I don't have sense, is that it? I don't have sense, that's what you're saying.
I didn't say that.
Both of you just calm down. You've had a long journey. All your questions will be answered. Please.
If you look at me very well, you will know that I am way older than you. What makes you think you have the guts, the nerves, the right to shut me up? What?
Must you drag everything? Must you?
I will if I have to. And if you know what is good for you as a wife, stay put!
Okay.
Jerry, please, let's cut to the chase. Breathing the same air with this idiot. He's really gonna choke.
God will punish you! It is your father that's an idiot! God will punish you, fool! Cow! Thunder fire you there! Idiots! Really?
Yeah. God will punish me.
Punish you well after he's done with you! Because you're the worst thing that ever happened to our family! You are an idiot! You're a fool! You're a wicked fool! Idiot! Cow!
Hey, just stop it.
Hey, enough. Enough.
Have we met?
Look at me very well. Do you think we've met?
Your face looks familiar, but I know you're not around at my wedding, but your face looks familiar.
You have not seen the cow, okay? Maybe you saw him in the garage or on the streets. Giants! Cow! Malu!
There's no point. I won't hurt my film because throwing it at an idiot like you would be a big disrespect to my film. Now, talking about hawking pure water, I'd rather walk the streets of Lagos, hawking pure water, than to come beg a monster like you for anything in this world.
That is where you belong. The streets! That's where you belong.
Enough, guys, enough. Please. I suggest we all go to our different rooms and wait when the rest of the family is here. Then we can pick up from where we left off. Please.
Hold on a minute. Are you expecting me and my wife to be in the same room, the same house with this animal? No, it's not gonna happen.
It's a mansion. It is a mansion. Okay. There's so many rooms. You both can stay far away. Except you want to go to a hotel.
No, we will stay.
And who are you to decide?
For the sake of your late mother, please, pretend not to be arrogant for once.
What?
At least someone is calling out this idiot for the arrogant fool he is.
God will punish your generation. You remain poor all your life.
Hey, stop it. Stop it. Stop it. This is my house. I called you all here. Respect me. And for goodness sakes, respect your mother. I suggest we all go to our rooms now. We will pick up from where we left off, possibly over lunch. Please. Let me
Jerry, I'm just trying to respect you. I mean, I can't stay in the same environment with this wicked man.
Thank you. Let me show you your room. Let me show you your room. It's okay. Oh, welcome. Let me help you with that.
Okay. I'm looking for one Jerry. He called me and said something about my mom.
Yes, I'm the one who asked you to come. I'm Jerry.
Oh, I see.
Yes, please.
So,
Welcome.
oh, I see. The queen of the house is here already.
Queen of the house?
Aren't you Kingsley's wife?
Yes, I am. How you doing?
Hey, I didn't come here for pleasantries. So please don't try this again.
Wow, wow, wow. Look who we have here. So tell me, Sandra with a child.
Now tell me, where did you steal that child from?
Well, contrary to you and what you think, this little cute girl came from me. At least I have something to show for my marriage. Unlike you.
What is wrong with you? Look, I didn't come here for you to insult me or for you to insult my wife. Watch your mouth.
You all should just settle down. You all arrived not long ago. You must be tired, please.
Yeah, Sandra, you need to relax. You just arrived, okay?
You don't tell me what to do. Don't try that. You don't have such rights.
No, you don't have to listen to this fool, okay? You don't have to listen to her. I am very sure one madman must have impregnated her. Look, when all this is over, she'll beg me for transportation back home. That's what they do. They beg me all the days of their life.
May, Sandra, ask your transport to go back. I have more money than you right now. I am married.
Oh, really?
I am not married to a stingy man like you.
Hey, you better watch your mouth.
Hey, please, stop. Stop. Just... Everyone, please, relax. Please. Okay, this is my house. Respect me, at least.
Is this how you guys fight each other?
Well, officially, welcome to the family. This is how we are. There is nothing like unity here. Especially when we have a useless first son.
What did you say?
Fool! Hey, please. Please, stop this. Stop this!
I might be younger than some of you, but this is my house. Respect me. I don't want this. As I said, one more sibling is coming.
Oh, Lord, may He help me, Lord. Don't tell me you invited that hoodlum to this place. Jesus Christ, what am I doing here? Oh.
Oh, you're here.
Oh, God.
I guess I'm in the right place.
Yes, you're in the right place.
You're Jerry.
Yes, I'm Jerry.
Now, this is the part of the story I don't like, where every fool, every nincompoop is in the same space. What am I not supposed to be here? Jeez.
Let's go.
Jerry, I think it's time for you to show me my room.
Yes, please.
Because I need to have a private time with myself. Talking to myself privately than having any conversation with any of these people I'm seeing.
Sure.
At least you should learn how to greet.
Greet? Who? Who is worthy of my greeting here? I'm sure there's none. Please show me my room.
Yeah, sure. Let me show you the room, so please come.
This is the height of it. This is it. Why are you staring at me like that? As if you want to attack me.
Attack you? Nah. There's so much attacking in your family already.
What are you trying to say? Come out straight.
What's happening here? What's going on with your family? Why is everybody attacking each other? And why are we staying at Jerry's place instead of your house? You told me you're building a house for your parents, and why are we here? Why are we not there?
Why are you asking me that kind of silly question?
Because I don't understand what's happening. None of your siblings came to our wedding, not even your mom, because you told me your mom wasn't feeling fine. And I expected us to be at your family's house and not here. So what's going on?
You have been living with everything I told you in the past. What stops you from leaving now?
Because I am just realizing that everything you told me could be lies.
Well, I think it's time for dinner. Let's go and eat. When you eat more, you talk less.
I'm not done talking
I
to you.
am done talking to you. I'm done talking to you. What is wrong with you? Why are you questioning my order?
Because I am your wife.
You're my wife, but you're not my family.
I don't understand. What do you mean by I'm your wife? I am not your family. Make it make sense.
So, Sandra, tell me, how did you manage to get yourself a child? Obviously, there is a madman somewhere, right?
I see you have mixed me so much. You have mixed me that I can't keep your eyes off my business.
Can we not start now? Can we all just eat in peace? Please.
Peace. In this family, there's no peace, no peace at all. See, in as much as we are seated in this table, eating together, it's just to fulfill all righteousness. If you're looking for peace, it's more like you're telling God to bring back Jesus, and that's not possible.
See who is talking. Someone that has chain around his neck like overfed dog.
What is your problem? What is your problem, Kinsley? The fact that I made it regardless is your major problem. Huh? I know you are angry that you are seeing your siblings looking so fresh and clean. And it's paining you. But you see, for the truth, if you go for my trouble, that trouble will kill you.
What? Do you even realize I am your elder brother?
Wow. Elder brother. Looks like a title you only put on when it's convenient. I mean, just like Ben said, I guess you're shocked that we're all here without asking you first for transport fare.
Can you guys just stop? Must you fight?
If you know what is good for your supposed wife, just shut up and let us be ourselves, okay?
I'm really disappointed in all of you. Not once have you mentioned your mother's name. Your mother that passed away, not once.
Exactly. Nobody's even talking about her. Talking about who? Pedro.
I heard the beautiful and most expensive car outside came with you.
The car did not come with me. I came with the car. So please get your English right.
How come? Hope you didn't rob someone to get a car.
Did you steal someone's husband to get a child? I mean, looking at you, I'm really surprised. You're looking like this.
What did you...
If you cannot tell us who the father of your child is, it means you stole the child. I mean, people only hide what they steal, right? If you try to, I swear to God, I'm going to deal with you right here, right now, without minding that we're all gathered together. Okay? Are you mad?
Who do you think you are to call me characterless?
Characterless? Is that what you call me? Oh, goodness. I see English flying up and down at the dining. Please, I think I need a pen and paper to jot things down to understand this conversation. Please, can I have one, please?
It's a big shame that the first child of this family is the one adding fuel into a burning flame. I am highly disappointed in you. You're supposed to be the first one behind.
Are you talking to me?
Hey, Kingsley. Not on this table. This is my house.
Then tell us what we need to know. Tell us! I'm tired of this nonsense! Who killed our mother and why? What happened to her? Enough of the pretense. We don't like each other. It's as simple as that. I'm tired! Need some fresh air.
Of course, that's what they're used to. Running away. But this time, I'm supposed to run.
Guys, that was my appetite.
What is the problem and what is the source of this animosity in your family? Why can't it just stop?
I'm so confused.
Better don't be confused, oh. Better eat your food. If you carry the problem of this family in your head, you might just die on time before us.
Where have you been?
Around?
I hope you didn't go spending time talking to those 3 idiots that call themselves my siblings.
I don't understand. Am I not supposed to talk to them, or are you not controlling who I talk to?
Yes. I will control who you talk to, as long as it has to do with those 3 fools. Or because you see them drive big cars. You see them dressed properly, you think they're human? You think they're up to my class? No, they're not. They're way below me. The only thing that connects us is blood ties, nothing more.
And you think blood ties is not big enough? Huh? You are the firstborn of this family. And you sit there and say trash about your family. You are just an irresponsible first son.
You call me irresponsible?
Yes.
Since you want to know about my family, I'll brief you. My parents dropped me out of school so I can go out there, hustle, work my ass out to make money, to become successful, and come back and take good care of these fools down there. I went out there, I struggled for years. I slept in the streets. No food, nowhere to go, nothing, no hope at all. And then finally I made it. Oh, thanks to God. You expect me to come back and use the same money on those fools? No, it's not going to work. The only thing they got was the education I did not get. The education I worked so hard for. That's the only thing they have. So let them go out there, make money, and know what it feels like to hustle. Because me, I'm not going to spend my money on them. They are fools.
Wow. So this is because of money. Your stinginess is the reason you cut off from your family.
Because if you carry family problems, you will never grow in life. You will remain there. I don't want that for myself or my immediate family.
And of what importance is your riches if your family cannot benefit from it?
It's for my immediate family. For my children. I work so hard for them.
I know you're a very stingy person, but it will not cost you anything to treat your family right.
Then who are you to tell me how to treat my family? Who are you to tell me? Look, they are my family and not yours. Let me handle them how I want to. It's none of your business.
You know, when all this is over, you and I need to sit down and look at this marriage.
Yes.
Because all this new discovery is scary. Because I don't know what else you have hidden in your closet.
You're right. We need to sit down and look into this marriage properly. Because I need to remind you who the head of this family is. Is it you or me?
Until then.
Thank you, all of you, for being here. I greet you all. This discussion is very important, and we shall proceed right away.
Please, 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 skip to the part where you get to tell us what happened to my mom. Please. I don't have that time.
I think it's respectful to start every conversation with greetings.
Now you're going to teach me manners, right?
Let him talk.
And you, don't you think you're getting over yourself too much?
Maybe if you just keep quiet for a bit, you might understand what he's trying to say.
Who's talking?
As I was saying, your mother died while in my house.
And as what? What was she doing in the house?
I met her a few nights ago, the night she lost her job.
As what?
As a house help.
What? My mother-in-law was working as a house help?
Yes.
Kingsley, what is he saying?
You heard him. Tell me, why will you allow an old woman work in your house as a house help? Is that a wickedness?
This is appalling. How old are you? You're not even up to 30 if I'm correct. And my mother was working for you as a house help? Aren't you evil?
Obviously.
I think you all hear, but you don't listen and you don't understand. I said I met your mother the night she was fired from her job. I never said she worked for me as a house help. Okay? When I met her, she was practically begging for food. Begging for food. I fed her. She insisted she had no place to stay. No place to stay! So I had to give her a place to stay. She stayed in my house. And you call me evil, Sandra. Evil? None of you here knows where she was until I called you. Where were you? Where have you been all this time? I'm not asking for anything from you. Not a dime. Yet you blame me for this?
Jerry, I mean, from all I've seen, you're a rich guy. You should have done whatever it takes to...
Aren't you a rich guy? Why didn't you take care of your mother? Why didn't you give her the life she deserves? Why didn't you take her to your house? Why didn't you look for her?
Wait a minute. Are you trying to justify why my mother died in your house?
Hold on, let me understand exactly what's going on here. Are you all putting this on me? Are you trying to blame me for something that happened to your mom?
I'm wondering too. Kingsley, with all the money you have to give your mother a better life, she was working as a maid?
Jerry, or whatever you call yourself, I mean, I'm disappointed in you. Yes, our mother wasn't close to us.
Why wasn't she close to you? Why wasn't she close to you? To you? Since you were the one, you're the only one here talking for everyone else. Why wasn't she close to you? Or to you? Or to you? Why? You're rich. You came into this house with a wonderful car. You're feeling like a baller. You, Sandra, you told all of us here that you married a rich man, moved to the city. Why didn't you ask about your mother? Why? You, Kingsley, clearly everyone can see that you're doing so well for yourself. Why didn't you ask about your mother? Why didn't you look for her? Why didn't you take care of her? Why? I will make this clear once and for all. Your mother was sick and that is what killed her. That was the reason for her death.
This whole thing is not clear to me. You have money. How didn't you take care of my mother when she was with you?
You all are just mad. Can you just keep quiet, listen to him, and let him finish talking? Because unlike him, we are the ones who have failed.
You may have failed, but I did not fail, and I will never fail.
Oh, really?
If my mother was with me, I would have taken good care of her.
Oh, Wash.
Is that why you rejected her from coming into your house? Yes. What was that you said? Oh, you have people over, you have guests, and you don't want your honorable guests to see your mother because she wasn't worthy. Isn't that what you said? She was stranded. Absolutely stranded, didn't have a dime, and that is why she looked for a job and you chased her away.
You did that to your mother?
Are you going to believe a stranger over me?
Yes.
Your mother told me herself before she passed away. Everything I speak is directly from her.
Hold on, Jerry. You may be sounding all sweet, like a good Samaritan, but she died in your house. Bro, you need to be questioned.
I see now that you all are just ingrates. After everything I did for your mother, how I helped her, this is all you all can tell me to my face in my house.
Unbelievable.
She didn't come to me. If she had come to me, I would have taken care of her.
You would have taken care of her. And you say that with so much callousness. She worked for a family for 8 months as a house help. Your mother, an old woman, did you ever look for her? Did you ask where she stays? Did you go to the house to look for her once? For 8 months. This is a sign that you all clearly did not care at all.
No. Don't count me in. Don't count me in. I've been on the streets since my tender age. So please don't count me in.
And is that your justification?
What is it now? Am I the first child here?
I will break your head before we leave this meeting. Trust me.
Of course you will break his head. When it's time for violence, that's when you flex your muzzle. When it's time to gather the family and do the right thing, you look for someone else to blame. Of course, break his head. I understand now why she avoided all of you. It's very disappointing.
Look, don't insult me. You can insult them, but do not insult me. The fact that my mother lived in your house and you took care of her doesn't mean you should insult me. Do not forget you still have questions to answer. Don't forget that.
Yes. The question is, how did she die? Apparently you overlabored her with work.
Obviously.
Wow. Now I understand why both of you are brothers.
What is that supposed to mean?
Mr. Jerry, what happened to my mother?
I already told you all how I met your mother. Maybe I should go into details on how she died. She was already sick for quite some time. By the time we took her to the hospital, it was already too late. The doctor said it was far gone. When she was close to death, she gave me her diary with all of your numbers to call. That's how all of you got here. Are you happy now to know such a sad ending of your mother?
See, I think we need to carry out an autopsy. Yes.
See who is talking. or because you came here with a car, you think you have what it takes to run an autopsy, right?
Whatever it is, my husband will pay.
And what if the autopsy result shows your mother died of starvation? What next?
Then we'll hold him, Jerry, responsible.
Who else?
Gosh, you hold me responsible. Are you listening to yourself? All of you are successful one way or another. Your mother has never tasted 1 naira of your success. Not even 1 wrapper as a gift. You want to blame me that helped her? You're blaming me for her starvation.
Look,
you!
Everyone listen to me. As the firstborn of this family, I suggest we forget about an autopsy. She's dead and gone. Let us move forward.
Of course. You will always find a way to run out.
Are you talking to me?
We all know you don't want to spend a dime.
She just said it.
Paying for an autopsy will be a very big problem for you. If you know how you're going to dig the ground and bury our mother yourself, you will do that.
Thunder, fire your mouth.
That's who you are. Stingy and greedy fake son.
Idiot. Little brat.
Now that everyone has calmed down, can we now discuss the main reason why we are here? Which is the burial.
I need you to understand that you are a woman and you shouldn't talk when men are talking about burial.
Provided that when it's time for money, nobody calls me. Then I can exempt myself.
And who's talking? You? One that hasn't showed us who our husband is, a mystery husband. You're talking about money.
Before we talk about money, there are some issues that need to be tackled first.
And what could that possibly be?
Your mom. Before she passed away, she gave me specific instructions to call her brother, your uncle. I've invited him. I called him. He's going to be coming here this evening. And he will give us the proceedings and the details of how it's going to take place.
Hold on a minute. You called my uncle without my consent. Like, you called my uncle without letting me know about it. Who do you really think you are? A member of the family or what?
He is more of a family to Mama.
And don't you think you're poking the nose too much in our family business? Do you think so?
I will get involved because the woman we're talking about is my mother-in-law. So please, don't deny my involvement in this, okay?
Wow. Here she is trying to play decent. Are you not the reason my brother turned his back on us? Yes. My brother has always been stingy. But thanks to you. Immediately we heard he is married. That is it. He doesn't communicate with anybody. He doesn't see anybody. He doesn't send money to anybody. He doesn't do any shit for anybody.
And talking about doing shit for anybody, he even denied me. You were there, weren't you? When he met me outside the supermarket, he denied me your presence, didn't he?
So, that's...
Bro, Kingsley! Bro, Kingsley!
Hey, stop it! Are you mad? Obviously you're mad. What is wrong with you?
Bro, Kingsley, it's me, Pedro, your brother.
Who's this madman? So is that how you people go around claiming a relationship? How are you my brother?
Bro, Kingsley, it's me, Pedro, your brother, Pedro.
You're mad. You're very stupid. No, don't tell me to calm down. Don't say it. This is how they do. You go around claiming relationship. Let's see what you say you're related to me. You just said it already.
I'm your brother, Pedro.
God will punish you. Shut up, get off my side. I don't know you and still... You're stupid. Dirty madman like you. You're mad.
Just sorry. See, next time, in case if you want to beg for money,
please, let's go. Leave that's mad people everywhere.
Okay?
Stupid fools.
I'm so sorry.
Leave the road, please.
Why are you still angry? Why are you angry? It's not like you gave him money or anything.
Look, honey, I know what I am saying. These beggars, they know how to get on my nerve. Can you imagine that madman saying I am his brother? How is that possible? How can a madman walk to me and say, you're my brother? Please don't. Look, I don't want to spoil my day already. Stupid people. Scammers. Looking for all to steal from.
He actually mentioned your name, Brother Kingsley.
I don't know. You know, these guys, they go to Habalis' home to have powers to see what they're not supposed to see. I don't know. Maybe they told him his name is Kingsley, go and meet him and all that shit.
Oh my goodness. That was you?
Yes. It was me. You're not seeing a ghost. And I can remember what you told me. You said I shouldn't force a relationship on people. That I should just beg instead of claiming to be family. There was an old trick that I needed to try something new.
You actually denied your brother.
Yes. He's my brother. And I can choose to identify with him or not.
Why did you have to reject and deny him? Why? All for what? Money? You lied to me.
Who are you to question my character? Who are you to tell me what to do and what not to do? It's a disappointment and a disgrace that I share the same problem with this brown cow sitting over there.
Exactly. You don't owe us anything. Yeah. So I guess as we are gathered here to talk about the funeral of our mother, let us concentrate on the matter at hand and handle it. I know you're a loud-mouthed idiot, but harassing Jerry is very stupid of you because he did what you could not do. Okay? He called our uncle. At least let our uncle come here and solve this thing once and for all because I am really, really tired.
I'm also tired. I cannot wait to get out of this house. I'm tired.
Good. I'm glad we've all gotten that out of our system. Your uncle will be here soon. And he will tell us what to do next. Until then, I suggest everyone stay away from each other. As far away as you can. It seems that is the only way you all can get along. Disappointingly.
This is the perfect word you have just said since we gathered here. This is the end of the meeting. Thank you.
Bros, waiting they solve now. Waiting they solve. Waiting they solve now. Why kill my battery? Just they call me. Waiting they solve. Bros, na me you dey para for. Why they raise your voice now? No be the levels where me you talk be this now. Which kind of levels be this now? I don't mean you get agreements now. Bros, I tell you say, we won't do my mother burial. And I tell you say, by the time we dey spray us the money for the burial, I go from there settle you. Even my elder brother dey, even if say he decide to disguise come, the guy home on his scatter. Everywhere soft. Guy, relax. Okay, see what go happen as it be like this now, onto that level we discuss I go increase am. I go add something for you. Guy, you don't know me again. I tell you, say, I go even carry you go ya Jeremiah. I go fuck you up for there. If you carry your babe, Bisola, that short one, if you carry a cup, I go fuck two of them up. Guy, na me be this now. See, I did meeting like this. Just relax. I will call you back when I finish the meeting. I go call you, bad boy. Hey, mommy. Later. Later, I will call you.
You need to learn how to respect me in public. You need to learn how to speak to me like the man that I am and not go against me or show yourself as some great. You know that, right?
Until you understand that everyone here is family and the issue we're talking about concerns us all, I will not shut up. You don't waste time to insult me in public, yet you want me to address you in private.
Do you even have any iota of respect for me at all?
Do you even truly love me?
Is marrying you not enough?
Is that supposed to be out of love?
If I do not love you, I wouldn't have gotten married to you in the first place.
No! If you truly love me, you would never have kept this thing from me.
They say that every girl and woman is born with motherly instincts. And it comes out when it is needed. And when she gives birth, it is out forever, for life.
What are you driving at?
So you left home. You left your mother. You came to the city. You met a rich man. You married a rich man. Had a child. And all this time, not once did you ask about your mother. Not once. And what about your brothers? Yes, let me guess, you can say they all got busy and they went on with their lives. But what is your excuse?
I had my reasons too.
You had your reasons.
Yes.
What reasons could you possibly have? I'll be honest with you. I am ashamed of you. You failed your mother. You failed your daughter. You failed yourself. You failed your nature. You failed. You failed.
Hey.
You don't have to do that. Sarah can take care of that.
And why will I want to do that? When I can easily do it now.
I can't imagine what you're going through. Sometimes when I hear you talk or your mood, I know it's a lot for you. But it has happened already.
Yeah. You know, a lot of people have turned marriage into a joke. And the one I'm in, I never knew existed.
You know, marriage, it can be a blessing. It can be a curse. Life in itself is a lesson. He shouldn't have lied to you. I know it's not easy, but it has already happened. What are you going to do? Throw away the marriage?
No. I can't throw away my marriage. I don't have intentions of doing that. I know Kingsley has said a lot of lies. Come on. I'm just getting to find out about his family. It really hurts. It's painful.
Yeah.
It's really painful.
You know, this is... I'm not married yet, but at least I know one thing. I might not say much about your situation, but I do know one thing. Most people get married these days because of how they feel, forgetting that marriage is a union, not of two people, but a marriage of two families. You never take their word for it. You have to dig deeper, find out, ask hard questions. But it has happened already, and this is what it is. And it's not easy, but we're here.
I feel betrayed. I feel cheated. I feel lied to.
That's part of life.
I pray you find the right person that will bring you happiness and not like mine.
Amen. And I pray God gives you the wisdom to go through this.
Thank you. So I will just go back to washing. Thanks.
What happened? I've been calling you. You're not picking my call or returned it.
What is your problem, woman? Why are you calling me by this time of the night? You should know I'm with my family. Or do you want to spoil my marriage? Why are you calling me?
I'm sorry. You're supposed to send me money, but I have not seen the money. That's why I'm calling.
Is this the reason you are calling me at this early hour? Do you want to spoil my marriage? For goodness sake, all the money I've been sending to you all this while, you didn't ask for it. Listen to me, young woman. This should be the very first and the last time you call me by this time. The next time this repeats itself again, that will be the end of our relationship.
Ah, Uncle. So nice to see you. Uncle, what? What is the problem? Why are you acting like we have an unfinished business to settle? I came to say hello to you, and you ignore me like I don't exist.
Do you exist? Huh? Do you exist? Huh? You know, this is my first time hearing that some people are making progress. And I'm me like this, I'm very, very sad. Yeah.
Uncle, good afternoon, sir. I know you're very angry, but please, what can we offer you? Is there something you'd like to take that we can offer you?
Who are you?
He doesn't even know you. Well, Uncle, this is Nora, Kingsley's wife.
We heard that he got married, but there in the village, you don't even know when it happened or how it happened.
Mazi, why would you say you don't know how it happened? But you were there now. Your people came to pay my dowry.
My people came to pay your dowry? You mean my people came to marry you?
Yes.
Who came?
Babe, tell him their names, the people that came.
Look, that is not the reason we are here. Okay, let us focus on the topic on ground and more important things.
No. This is more important. Didn't you hear your uncle? He said your people didn't come to pay my dowry. So who are the people who came? Because I know after the traditional marriage, you said we're going to come back to the village. But no, we just went straight to the city and we didn't come back.
Well, what they are trying to tell you, our wife, is that they just heard. Exactly the same way we heard that our brother got married.
That's actually the truth. So I think Almighty Uncle Kingsley has a lot to explain.
Wait a minute, too. Kingsley. I hope you heard her right. She said you took some people from the village to go and marry her at her place. So tell us, which of the elders went with you to her village to marry her?
Uncle, please. I got married years ago. Are we supposed to be discussing about my marriage or my mother's burial? Which?
In case you don't know, sweetheart, let me explain to you. The elders from my village never came. Neither did my mother nor my late father.
Yeah, I know about your mother because he told me that your mom wasn't feeling fine and that after the marriage would go to the village to visit her, which we never did.
What is going on here is very simple. You're not married.
Bam.
The people you said that accompanied my brother Kingsley to pay your dowry are actors.
Please, let's talk about my mother's burial and just...
Sorry, excuse us.
We're not done talking.
Hop right now. Follow me. She's calling you. Kingsley! Oh my goodness. I can't believe the people you came with to pay my dowry were actors and not your uncles.
Of what use would the truth do to you? Or are you going to walk out of the marriage? Your dowry was paid in full, so why are you asking stupid questions?
Stupid questions? I have been living a lie for 2 years. And now you're making me look like a fool in front of your family.
You wanted to be my family, right? You wanted to meet them. Congratulations to you, you met them. What else do you want?
The same family that don't get me. Because according to them, I am not married to their son.
What were you expecting? That I bring those old, rickety men from the village before your parents? As what exactly?
I expected you to clean up those rickety men.
When you're done ranting, you follow me and let's go finish the meeting, which is more important.
This is more important.
So would you rather we talk about our marriage than my mother's burial? For Christ's sake, we are married and we are married for good.
I refuse to be married until your people accept me. I am not married.
Are you married to my people or are you married to me?
Gosh. Marriage is a union of two families and not just between you and I. So the earlier you get that into your thick skull, the better for you.
I think I have to make this clear, since we are all gathered here. The only land that you can bury your mother happens to be her husband's land, which is your father's land. Because that's exactly where you buried your father. But it's very unfortunate that there's no building there. That thing that is there, that dilapidated, destroyed building that is there, cannot be there while we're burying your mother. So what I'm trying to make you people understand is that before your mother can be buried, you have to build a place for her. And apart from that, you know the way the thing went. Huh? The dilapidated house could not take your mother. There was this very terrible rain that fell, and the whole roof went, whoa. Huh? And this was why your mom went kitty ran to the city to meet you people so that you all can deliberate on how you can come and build something for her, let her be able to be covered. And what happened? When they are bringing her back to the village, she came as a corpse. Fair what? I really don't understand it. I want you to know. Your father died owing the village a lot of dues. And he was buried like that. Now your mother has died too, still owing the village a lot. Huh? So before we will bury her, you have to meet with the elders. They are the ones to decide. And what am I even saying? Even you people as youths, you are still owing the youth group. And you have to offset all these dues. You have to pay for all your dues before the elders will now sit down and deliberate on your matter to know when we are going to bury your mother. All of you are silent. Well, what I'm trying to say is, it is not a matter of just being silent. You people have to know that the main thing that we have to do in that village is making sure that you listen, have a proper meeting with the elders, then you know what is next. Because that is what I'm going to do by tomorrow. And when I go, we sit and we talk, and then I'll get back to you to tell you what the elders actually said that must be done. So that is what I came here to tell you.
Uncle, thank you. We have all heard you. Thank you.
This one is thanking me. I hope you've heard.
Uncle, you have to explain this thing to them. Look at it, we're now orphans. Our father is dead, our mother is dead. Tragedy is everywhere. So they still want us to pay. The bills are too much, please.
I am really very, very disappointed in all of you. Very, very disappointed. I can't believe it that my late brother have children like this. Eh? Especially this one that calls himself Kingsley. He's just a disgrace to first sons. Yes. I can't believe that you just left us in the dark in the village, going about in the city, just spending, gallivanting, showing off yourself as rich people. Huh? Well, I'm not going to say more. When I meet with the elders, then I bring you words on what they decided that you people will do.
All right, thank you.
I will be taking my leave.
All right, Uncle. Dada, come on. Spend money.
Your name shouldn't be Kingsley, but stingy.
Very stingy woman.
I brought you some toiletries. I'm not sure if you had some yesterday, but I brought them today.
I know this is your house, but caution demands that you knock on that door before coming in.
Like I said, I brought you some toiletries. Also, whatever it is you're taking will not help you.
What?
I saw you hide it when I came in. It's not going to help you. It will help you cope better. All I'm saying is that you don't need this. You can live a better life, a more successful life, a more healthy life. You don't need this.
Are you trying to tell me how to live my life? You could be close to my mother, but you are not my mother.
I'm not trying to be your mother. Look at the both of us. We are both the same age. but I'm more successful.
Are you trying to rub that in my face?
I'm not trying to rub anything on your face. I'm only trying to tell you that whatever it is that you're doing is only going to destroy you. You don't need it. You want to ball. You want to rub shoulders with your brothers. Your brothers who are more successful. Like Kingsley.
Are you comparing me with Kingsley? I'm far better than Kingsley. Kingsley is stingy.
That is his life. How would this help you? Is this what you really want for yourself? Think about it.
Thank you for the information. Please, can you leave now?
Good night.
You're still awake?
How many more lies are you yet to tell me? You look into my eyes and lied to me all these years. You married me out of the seat.
I married you, right? That is the most important thing. Who came or who didn't come doesn't count, does it?
What did your family ever do to you? Why do you hate them so much?
They're my family, right? Why are you trying to get involved in it? Why?
Your parents gave you life. You went to the city, made money, and you abandoned them. You even denied your own brother.
Heavenly race is an individual race. Let everybody run their race. Yes, my parents brought me to life. They didn't give me life. God did. They have done their part. It's time for me to raise my kids and give them the life I never had. It's time.
And now that you have all you wanted, what did you do for them?
Look, if I had been there for them all this while, do you really think they'll be standing on their feet the way they are today? You think? No, guess not. Do me a favor. Quit getting involved in my family affair. It'll do you a lot of good, actually. It's a mess.
I called you all here this morning quite early because I got a text message from your uncle late last night. He said we should come to your father's compound and meet him and the elders by 10 a.m. this morning.
My father's compound? The last time I checked, there's nothing reasonable there.
Thanks to you, there is no house there. But that's where they ask us to meet. So we'll go there.
But must it be there? I mean, can't we find somewhere more befitting of our status?
Befitting? I don't understand.
Guy, we are no longer that poor family they used to know. Are we?
If the elders say we should meet at the compound, then we're all going there.
That's right. I'm not part of the family. Having the meeting here doesn't make any sense. In fact, if the elders and your uncles say we should meet them there, that is the sensible thing to do.
Bravo. At least for once you realize that you're not a family member.
But he's doing exactly what a family member should have done.
Must you always tackle me every time I talk, Nora? Must you always do it?
At least someone is responding to you.
Watch your mouth.
Or what? We are going to work out? I can only imagine you calculating how much you would have spent if you are the one hosting the family.
At least I made my money myself.
How about you? Now nobody knows your source of income.
Can we please hurry up with this? I mean, being in one place is really choking.
I support you on this. I think we should just go for the meeting and know what the outcome looks like.
Yeah, as long as you're not going there dressed like an escapee from the psychiatric home.
If you want to throw shit at me, call my name.
Your name is Ben. I just called your name. What will you do?
Well, this is the first time you're calling my name, and it actually sounds nice in that your gutter mouth. Please. I am done with whatsoever meeting we have here.
I guess we should all hurry up and get ready.
Yes, let's get ready quickly. It's almost
But why are you going to this meeting? You're not a family member, Mr. Jerry.
We are staying in his house. And he alone knows what happened to our mother. He needs to be there in case question arise, since the first son is clueless.
You're very stupid for saying that. You are very, very stupid.
The feeling is mutual.
God will punish that mouth of yours. Punish you very, very well, idiot.
All right, please, let's just get on with it, okay? We're late already. Barely have 3 hours to be there.
Wait, so these children finally made it in life without coming back to look for their mother? Hey, what am I saying?
I'm shocked. Oh. May God not give us useless children like this. After suffering and laboring for them, when they finally made it, they all vanished. Their mother traveled to the city. Now I'm hearing stories that she's dead. They are even looking for her. Some people say she's dead.
Really? So, why are they coming to this village? What are they coming to this village to do? Is it to show us that they've finally made it in life? See, anybody that made money in this life without taking care of their parents is as good as not making it at all at all. The most painful part of it is that this woman died without a good roof over her head. Just look at.
I even wonder what she has been doing in the city, where she has been in the city, if she's not with any of them.
Probably this woman traveled to the city, got lost. Nobody can tell you. Chai, I pity this woman for all she has gone through in this life.
Sure, we are here. You hear the full gist.
In this village, Abi, we are all here. We know where they are driving. Whatever is their plan, we will know.
Only God knows where they are driving to.
Let's go.
Maybe
Before
they are
they
driving
will
to their
say-
compound.
How can this place be like this?
Unfortunately, this is our father's compound.
And you say it casually.
What should I have said? Should I say it using a trumpet or break down while saying it?
What sort of useless children are you all?
I beg your pardon?
I said, what sort of useless children are you all? What kind of useless people are you people? I don't get it. So, you have the audacity to talk to your brother, Kingsley. You guys could say anything you want about him, but all of you are worse. How many of you came back for your mother? Is this the house she's going to stay with holes everywhere, where flies and sun and animals could just eat her up? How many of you came back? How are you better? This woman was practically begging for food. The only way she could survive was to work as a house help. And you're just talking it casually. What a disappointment.
I'm so ashamed of you. Really? Now I see. No wonder you refused me coming to the village. So because of all this, but you're in the city, balling in the morning. But look at your house.
Am I the only one in money? And my younger one's not in money too? Why are you blaming me?
Really? Wait. when it comes to sharing something, you suddenly become the first son. But when it comes to responsibility, you push all of us to the front.
Isn't that how it is? Huh? We're born and brought up here, playing in the same place, chased around by our mom and dad.
Chased by our mom and dad. You know, it's funny that you say that. You have the audacity to talk because you are well fed. You've made it in life now. So this place is now a junkyard for you, Abi? Mr. Drug Baron. What has been your contribution to this house? I'm asking you, what did you contribute to this house? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. You know, you guys are the reasons why people refused to have children back in the days. 4 children, 4. Yet your mother lived like she was childless. She couldn't even afford a wrapper. Do you guys even understand anything about life? Do you understand anything about life? The mother that gave birth to you, that bore you from her loins. Oh, it's a junkyard. Oh, good memories. Our father and mother used to chase us around. Bravo. Billionaires. Shameless children. I heard the stories when your mom told me. I heard more from you guys, but seeing this place and what you guys could have done with it, it's utterly heartbreaking.
We know this place doesn't look so good, but please don't throw sand in our eyes.
I would throw sand in your eyes. I would throw mud in your eyes, Mr. Kingsley. Because there's no excuse for this. You can all afford to eat, right? I'm telling you that your mother, at the age of 50 plus years, only fed when she walked as a house help.
Look, are you aware I am older than you?
Oh, please.
You're talking to me rudely. I'm not comfortable with it.
You keep talking about this age, throwing it around like it's some trophy, like you went for the Olympics. Yeah, apparently you're older, but you didn't grow with sense. You know why? Because you were the first to make money in this family. What did you do with it? And even if these ones are ranting like children, you are the first. What did you do with your money? Yes, you built a life for yourself. So what?
It's so easy for you to say. So easy. At your age, look at all you have. And you're here talking. You were obviously born with a silver spoon, so I don't blame you.
I was honestly born with a silver spoon. None of you know anything about me, so I shall tell you my story. I was raised in an orphanage. Yes, orphanage. The moment my mother gave birth to me, she dumped me, and I was discovered and taken to an orphanage. All my life, I begged to have a family. Every single time I heard that there was a family coming over for adoption, I would wear my best clothes and put on my best smile. And every single time I was not chosen. I started very early to go to the streets, to hustle, to sell, to build myself to the point where I am right now. You all see the money. None of you see the struggle. And thank God we don't look like what we've been through. Thank God. Talking about silver spoon. I wasn't even up to 17 when I was kicked out of the orphanage. Yeah, I had to work my ass off. Every single thing, I built it brick by brick by brick to the person I am today. When I would cry, I had no mother to comfort me. When I would break, I would have no mother to comfort me. I would shed tears silently. I would build silently. I had no mother. And let me tell you the truth, even if I see my mother today who abandoned me, I will still be grateful that she didn't abort me. I will still be grateful. What can you all say about that? What is your excuse? What is your excuse? Can you say that about yourself? Can you?
It is very, very disheartening that we are meeting at this time and in this situation. Huh? I mean, it is even more annoying that we're meeting in a place that doesn't have any sign that your parents ever lived here. Huh? Well, the deed is already done. We're here to bury the dead, aren't we? So, Kingsley, tell me your plans.
My plans? Uncle, I don't understand what you mean by my plans. The woman in question gave birth to the four of us, not just me. So why are you asking what is my plan? I hope you people are not expecting me to shoulder the responsibility of the burial.
Well, must you always talk about money? Huh? That's your problem. Must you always, I mean...
Yes, uncle, that's his problem. You know him very well. He brags that he has money, but when it comes to solving problems with it, he will run under his wife's skirt.
God will punish you for saying that.
God will punish you too.
Idiot.
What's wrong in what he said? That is the truth and that is who you are.
Shut up.
Uncle, please, can you go ahead?
Okay. Why I'm asking if you have any plans is because you need to have good plans before your mother is buried. In case you do not have one, I think I should tell you what is doable and what should be done.
Uncle, listen. We've been here for a while. There's been so much disunity among us. There's been so much problem. There's no oneness among us. So apparently, we do not have a plan.
Yes.
Okay. If you do not have any plan, what I'm saying is, your mother cannot be buried in a place like this. You see this building, it has to come down. And you build something good for your mother. I mean, a woman that does not have a good place, she never lived in a good place all her life, she should at least live in a good place while she's dead.
Uncle, wait. Help me understand. We should bring this building down and build another one. For who? Who is going to live in it? I don't live here, so who will live in it? We all live in the city.
Can you listen to yourself? Huh? Are you going to live in the city forever? Huh? You need a good place in the village. When you come back, you live in the place. And besides, if you bury your mother in a good place, she will feel at home. Huh? Your dad was buried here. And for you to bury your mother here, you have to bring this structure down and build something good. Yes, that's my final decision.
Uncle, wait. Uncle, it's not that simple. You want us to bring down this house and build a new one. Uncle, it's not easy. This economy things are tough. Things are hard.
Exactly. How are we supposed to build a house and then plan the burial?
That is my final decision. I've said that before.
So, Uncle, wait a minute. Have you asked if we have the money to build a house in this place? Do you know it's going to cost a lot?
Kingsley?
Yes, Uncle.
You? That goes about showing off. Huh? Bragging that you have money. You are the one saying this. I can't believe this.
I didn't go to the city to make money and come build some house in this village where I won't live in it.
I don't even understand you at all. Are you trying to say that it's a waste of money building a new house for our parents?
So when people are talking about money, building a house, you are also talking with dog chains around your neck. It's a waste of time, actually.
He has to say something. He's part of the family.
You also.
You are part of this family. And what's your contribution?
If you have something to say to me, say it. But for now, let's focus on the burial. Then when you get home, you tell me that thing that is on your mind. Then I'll give you a fitting reply.
I hope you all heard me. You are not going to bury your mother without taking this thing you call house down and build a befitting structure.
Uncle, let's just look for somewhere and bury her. Let's just...
You want to look for somewhere
very old.
I have to take words to the Council of Elders.
What nonsense is Jerry discussing with this man? What nonsense? I need to get out of this boring place.
Can you just calm down and be a little patient? Whatever Jerry is doing there, I'm sure it's important, else he will not be there talking.
I should calm down.
Yes.
God, this place gives me bad vibes. I don't like the vibes. I don't like it at all. Just look at that big rat. Just imagine.
Can you hear yourself talk?
Huh? Your father's compound gives you bad vibes. Big rats. I expected you to be thinking of how to make this place beautiful, how to beautify this place. You are talking trash, really?
I'm talking trash?
Yes.
Instead for you to go and tell Jerry to cut this conversation and let's get out of this place, you're tackling me. Don't worry. I will leave all of you here and go home very soon.
And
just
go
watch.
Where? Go where? Which home? Jerry's house. Mind you, the landlord is still here. If you go, who's going to open the door for you? Huh?
No, I don't even know what I'm doing.
No, go now. Let's see who's going to open the door for you.
You know what? I can't stand this place. It's disgusting.
It's disgusting.
Yes, it is.
Your father's house. But you want to go to Jerry's house and stay. Huh? You should be ashamed of yourself. You can't stand it. What nonsense. Are you for real? Are you leaving? Are you actually leaving? Billy!
Oh, okay. So I will see you guys soon, but very soon, by the grace of God, tomorrow. I'll call you back. Is that not Kingsley? Now, well, let me call you back, please. This 1, 2. I said it.
Pete. Is this you? So good to see you. Look at you.
Kingsley.
What are you doing in the village?
But me myself, I wanted to ask you, what are you doing here? You never told me you were coming to the village.
Oh, my brother, I had to come. It was actually impromptu. Yeah.
What happened? I hope all is well.
My brother, I had a call that I lost my mom.
Oh my goodness.
So I had to come back to the village so I can have meeting with the elders so we can plan the burial.
Sorry about that, Kingsley.
It's fine.
Oh God, so sorry about that.
She's gone. She's gonna really, I really miss her.
Yes, sorry.
So what are you doing here?
I came to see my parents and also planned for my mom's 70th birthday. Of course, you know it's fast approaching. So I'm here to build a house for her to celebrate my mama.
Wow, you want to build another house for your mother?
Yes, of course.
What about the other one you built for her?
No, this one, I'm using it as a surprise for her birthday so that this will be special for her on her name.
Don't you think you are spending too much?
Kingsley, you know, I love my mom so much. The mother that gave me life, Kingsley, you know me better. Nothing is too much for my family. Trust me, This is just small.
Yeah, nothing is too big for who you love. That's correct.
Sorry, excuse me.
Oh yes, that's fine.
Hello? Harry. Really? Wonderful. Okay, no problem. I'll be coming back tomorrow by the grace of God and we will talk more about it. Congratulations. I'm proud of my brother. That's Harry. That just called me.
The fair one. That's
Yeah. He just finished building his new business, a new branch for his business, and I'm glad that my brother is strong enough and is doing well.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, that's happened.
Well, that means he's really doing well for himself. Then.
Yeah, I never regret helping him because him and his younger sister, they are doing well. And I'm proud of them.
So I was actually thinking, don't you think you are spending too much? Or aren't you scared of failing?
I know that is what you are going to tell me.
Because you just spend money on them, your sister, your mother, your brother.
Kingsley.
What if you run out of cash?
Kingsley, I am more scared watching my family fail than failing myself. Today, we are building a house to surprise my mom on her 70th birthday. My younger sister sent me 5 million. My younger brother sent me 10 million. You understand?
Yeah, sure.
You see, I know, Kingsley, it comes with pain at the beginning, but later, you'll be glad that you do it. Do you know why?
Oh.
Because if anything goes wrong in the future, somebody will stand by the gap. So it's good to raise people behind you because nobody knows tomorrow. Kingsley, short. Let's leave this matter. Let me show you the house I'm building for my mom.
Oh,
let me just show you.
Sure, let's go. After you.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Come. Let me show you how I did the foundation.
You have done so much for your family. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you, Kingsley.
It's a good thing, actually.
Yeah, thank you very much. This is just little. I'm even planning to do more.
Wow.
You know, my family is everything to me. That's my car, Kingsley.
Walker.
That's my car. I left it with my mechanic in the city who said the job was as issue.
This car?
Yes, that's my car.
Oh, come on.
What's my car doing in this village?
This car belongs to my younger brother. What are you talking about, man?
Your younger brother? Where is he headed to?
To where we live, somewhere ahead.
Oh, your younger brother has to answer to me. Where did he get this car from?
This is your car?
Yeah, that's my car, Kingsley.
Are you serious?
I'm very serious, Kingsley. This is my... You're telling me I don't know my car?
Hello, Senator. I have not heard from you, and I'm here to receive the money.
My driver is actually on his way. He will get to you shortly, right?
Thank you so much, baby. Thank you. I appreciate.
This is my car.
Wait. Are you saying my brother took it from your mechanic? Is that what you're saying?
Kingsley, I need to see the person that drove this car to this village.
He's inside. Go. He's inside. Let's go. He's inside. Pete, this is him.
Oh, so this is the criminal that stole my car.
Kingsley, what's the meaning of this insult?
You're asking me? This is him.
Hey, what's going on here?
Listen, everybody. That car parked outside is my car. I left it with the mechanic at the city. To my surprise, a few minutes ago, I saw the car drove past me. Kingsley here said it belonged to his younger brother.
So please, can I see you outside?
Hey! Say whatever it is you want to say in front of everybody. Also, you came here, you stole a car, you came here bragging to me as if you've made it in life. Have you seen your useless life? Have you seen it? Have you seen yourself?
Mr. Kingsley.
Sir, please.
No. Maybe you even stole the money you bought fuel with. Or did you borrow it from one of those online apps? Look at how you're disgracing this family, Pedro. You're disgracing this family, right?
Mr. Kingsley, please. This is not how to approach this matter. Pedro, did the mechanic sell the car to you?
Pete, please. Call the police to pick this proud peacock out of this place immediately. Call the police.
Kingsley, are you sure this is your younger brother for me?
Unfortunately, my brother. Unfortunately, I share the same bloodline with this swine. This cow.
Are you asking me to call the police for your younger brother?
You're wasting time, Pete. Call the police for this maggot, please.
And you, Pedro, how did you get the car?
I heard it from my mechanic friend. I knew I was coming to the village. I didn't want to look poor because of him. You know, he always belittles me, insults me at every given opportunity. So
I see. So this is what they do with people's car. I will be their downfall.
So this one is different, actually. I've not done it before.
Stay away from my husband. I've warned you. Stay away from my husband. The next time I catch you close to my husband. The next time I catch you close to my husband, I will not only slap you like I did today, I am going to disfigure your face. I will disfigure you, imbecile of a woman. Can't you stay away from my husband?
Madam, wait. Please, who are you and what do you want? What do you want? Why are you doing this? Madam, I'm asking you again, who are you and what do you want? Why are you fighting her?
Look, you had better warn your sister to stay away from my husband. Because the next time I catch her around my husband, I am going to disfigure her face.
Wait, madam, please hold on. You will disfigure whose face? My sister's face? For what exactly? Wait, what proof do you have that she's with your husband? She's a married woman, for Christ's sake.
Married woman?
Yes.
A side chick following my husband up and down. Sleeping with my husband. I even heard she has a child with my husband. She should pray I don't get to meet that child because I am going to kill the both of them.
Madam,
it is not a threat.
Look, you don't say that in front of her family. You will kill her for what? If you have a problem with your husband, go and settle it. I will come here and be threatening my sister for what? For what reason?
Madam, listen to me. If you were treating your husband well, he will not find my sister attractive. So I'm going to warn you for the first and last time. Don't you ever try this nonsense again. Did you hear me? Listen to me, madam. Take this message to your husband. Tell him we are coming for him. If he doesn't come to do the necessary things he needs to do, I swear to God, I will embarrass him publicly.
You heard him. Please leave.
I know your husband is one of the biggest politicians.
Thank God you know.
Make sure you take this message to him.
You heard him.
He should come and do the necessary things he needs to do. Yes. Now get out of here.
You've heard him.
You had better warn your sister the next time I catch her close to my husband.
Go and talk to your husband. He has a problem. Go and talk to your husband. Leave my sister alone. This is unbelievable. So Pedro and Sandra, both of you came here to disgrace yourself. Is that it? Pedro, you went to hire a car to come brag to me that you've made it in life, that you're successful while you're nothing, absolutely nothing. It's a disgrace. And you, Sandra, I have been asking you since you got here, how did you get this baby? How? Tell me. You said you're married, you're worthy, you've made it in life. Little did we know that you actually got pregnant for someone else's husband. I'm ashamed of both of you. You're a disgrace to this family.
Really? Must you do this now?
Yes! I will do it now. I will do it all the time. I made my money myself and I'm proud of it.
Then clap for yourself. No, keep celebrating and clapping for yourself. Listen, Kingsley. You are the reason we are the way we are. Our parents trained you. They didn't send you to school, but they sent you to learn a trade so that when you make it, you will in turn help us out. But what did you do? You turned your back on us. You cut us off. Are you
putting this on me? Is that what you're doing?
Listen, Kingsley, I guess you don't know. Kingsley, you are the worst thing. You are the worst brother, the worst family anybody can wish for. Yes, I've always known you to be selfish. Anyone that sees you now will think your wife is the one responsible for your stinginess. But no, you've never known what it means to have family. You've never known what it means to have blood ties. You're so selfish, you're so wicked, you're so stingy.
It's a shame to have you as a brother, Kingsley. I am not ashamed that I am married to a teenager. He brought me out from the street. Yes, I have a child for him. But I don't regret it. But at least I am alive. But you rejected all of us. You abandoned everyone, including Mama. Now you're here bragging about having money. How much do you have? What can you brag? In the city, you are a big boy. But here, in the village, you are nothing.
Hey, watch your mouth. Watch what you say to me. Watch it.
Are you not ashamed that we are in Jerry's house in our village? You are the reason our mother died. If you had helped her, she would not be working as a house help in this city at her age. You want to brag about what you have achieved. You are a disgrace to this family. You are a failure! A failure!
Are you proud of this family? Are you proud to have us as a family? Listen, I'm not proud of what I've done. But if I get the opportunity again, I'll do it again! Anything to make sure that you don't get a chance to rubbish me!
Look.
Let's go. Let's go.
Pete, I am really sorry you had to witness all this today. This disgrace and more is the reason I cut off from them. I feel so ashamed right now, seriously.
See, it's okay. Kesley. But the truth is that I can't believe your family is like this.
I'm disappointed. It's a shame.
It's okay. You don't need to apologize. But let me ask you, Kesley. With all the money you have, you could not help your siblings? Look at your sister. She's a baby mama. Your brothers are like junkies. Even with what I heard from your sister, you did not take care of any of your siblings.
Look, but you don't understand. It's a long story, actually.
See, let me tell you, Kesley, if you don't know, the reason why God bless us is to elevate our families. Do you understand? Yesterday I passed by your father's compound, and to my surprise, Kesley, the whole place looked like a graveyard. In fact, a junkyard. Anybody who knows you from the city will not believe that you did not have even a single roof on your head in your own village.
Look, no, you're taking this too far. Just calm down, okay? Take it easy. You are
telling me to calm down?
Yeah, you're just talking.
How? How do you want me to calm down? Look at you. From your head to toe, you are shining like a gold. Listen to me. Don't stop me. You are my friend. If I can't tell you the truth, nobody will tell you, Kesley. You are looking good like this. Look at your brothers are looking like junkies. And this is not life if you don't know the meaning of riches. Let me tell you today. The definition of riches is when everybody around you benefits from it. Not when only you eat alone. It's unfortunate.
Well, I can actually explain why all this happened.
Yeah, we're going. Yeah, we're going.
Pete, you don't get it.
Did you just say you want to explain to me to understand what? Because I've seen everything from the beginning. See, let me tell you, it's better you change your ways. Now let me ask you this, Kesley, for the last time. If you die today, tell me, who will inherit all this thing called wealth? The expensive cars? The expensive jewelries? Who will inherit them? The answer is total strangers. People who do not know how you made your money. Child, I'm ashamed of you, Kesley. I swear, I am very, very ashamed of you. To even call you my friend, not to talk of having you as my brother. See, I'm telling you the truth because none of your brothers are here. This is me and you as a friend. I have to tell you the truth. See, if you cannot put smile on your family's face when you have the opportunity to do it, you are disgusting, my friend. In fact, you are Jahannam. You are a bad meat. Change your ways. Change your ways, Kesley. It's unfortunate. I rest my case.
Ben! Ben, are you okay? Somebody help! Help! Ben! I'm coming. Help! Kingsley!
What happened? No, we saw it like that. We saw it on the floor. Listen, let's go.
Doctor, please, how is he?
He's stable currently, but he needs blood transfusion. He has lost a lot of blood.
Blood?
Yes, he's O negative, and we don't have that right now in our bank.
Doctor, I am also O negative. You can take my blood and give it to him to help him.
Okay.
Doctor, I'm also O negative. Please, you can take my blood.
Please, doctor. He's my brother. We share the same bloodline. Please, let me donate my blood instead.
What?
Yes. I know you all mean well for him, and I really appreciate. But for the first time, let me do something for my brother. Please.
Okay then, come with me.
Excuse me.
Jerry, I'm shocked to see a stranger going this far. Do you mean you really wanted to donate your blood?
Well, you also wanted to donate your own blood, and yet you're not part of the family.
You know, Kesley is my best friend.
Well, their mother is also my mother. We don't have to be blood relatives to help people.
You're right. We don't. Life isn't that hard. We make it hard for ourselves.
There's something I want to ask you.
Go ahead, please. What is it?
We are trying to help the family. Can you please pardon or spare Pedro if this is something you can do?
Jerry, let's leave that matter for now. After everything, we'll talk about that. Let's pray for his well-being first.
What is wrong with you? Why do you go and overdose on drugs like that?
Do you want to kill yourself? And Ben, we have not finished with the one we came to bury. Do you want to add yourself to it? What is wrong with you? How many are we that you want to reduce our number? How many? Look, don't you ever try this nonsense again. You hear me? Don't try it. If you want to kill yourself, do it when you're alone, not when you're with your loved ones.
So you hide to take your drugs. No wonder you hardly come out of your room. And when you do, you start misbehaving and wearing big chains like a goldsmith.
What do you guys want from me? What do you guys want? This is who I am. I've been on the streets at a very early age. No guardian, no support, no family. I had to eat. I needed to survive. Yes, I sell drugs, but I have to survive. I had to meet up with my ends meet. The only mistake I made was overdosing. But what would I have done? I had no family. I had no one to correct me. The only person I was looking at running back to was Mama. But she's no more. I wanted to make her proud. But I failed. And now I can't do so anymore.
Are you mad? You wanted to kill yourself? For what? If you think you don't have anybody, you have God. Now you have me. I'm here.
Ben, I'm here too. You have me.
Crying is not weakness.
I'm not crying. I'm not.
You deceive yourself. Meanwhile, thank you.
For what?
For everything you did today. For showing up. Coming here. Donating blood. Truly, you have shown that blood is thicker than water.
Yeah. I guess so. You have been more than a brother to us, that we will share the same blood ties. Thank you.
It's okay, babe.
Yes, darling.
So I want to go stay with Ben at the hospital.
Oh, there's no need for you to go. You know, you're like the mother of the house. And you know how to take care of everyone and everything around the house. So let me go.
But I need someone to be there with him. I'll just go there and stay. You can take care of the house.
Well, since you want to go and she wants to go, I guess, what if we should go together?
No. I don't think the two of them have to. Any of them have to go. Because Jerry and I can actually go there and stay with him.
Yeah, besides, he's a man.
Yeah.
What happens if he needs to pee, use the restroom? Both of you can't do anything. Let the men take care of the men.
Yeah, let the men take care of the men. On that note, I guess I'll have to join you guys then. Hi, honey. See you.
Peace is better. We don't have
See you when I come back.
All right.
United by blood, we are stronger.
So, nurse, how is he doing?
He's getting better, sir.
Okay.
He should be fine by morning.
Okay.
How about the drip?
Once this drip finishes, he will not need another. Except the doctor checks him in the morning and sees the need for it.
Okay, thank you so much. We appreciate it.
Okay. Excuse me, sir.
All right, fine.
What is your gain when you have the whole world with a family? Oh, who can share your joy and your pain?
Yeah. You're gonna have black?
Black, oh.
Yeah, I guess
Yes,
this was
yeah.
me, I will just manage this. What is it? Do you need anything? Don't tell me you guys want to drink that in alone.
My friend, you're not feeling fine and you're on drip, so relax. We're here to look after you all through the night, okay?
Jerry, please give me one can. Yeah, let me
Guy,
drink.
you're on drip, you shouldn't be drinking alcohol. You're on drip, you're dripping, man.
Okay, if I'm on drip, you guys can inject it into the drip bag now. Bro, listen, if you want to drink with us, okay, you have to get well first and come home with us. Okay? This is unfair.
What are you doing?
Are you here to judge me?
No. Who am I to do that?
I messed up.
Shh. It's okay. We all do, okay?
He promised to leave his wife for me.
They all promise. But check history. They never leave. No man will leave his perfect family for a side chick. I know they all come up with all sort of stories about how broken their home is. But when asked to leave, they never leave. And trust me, they will never give you that position you desire in their life.
I feel used.
Shh. Don't say that, darling. Listen, no one will value you more than you value yourself. And trust me, you can have any man you want. All you have to do is focus on building yourself. And the right man will come looking for you. Okay?
Is that still possible?
Yes. Listen. Whenever a man wakes up, it's his morning. That way, he gets to know his strength. It's okay, come. Stop crying. You're too pretty to cry. It's okay. Okay?
It's fascinating. If you're not going to be there for your daughter, I will take care of her. She's mine. I made a mistake of thinking that you're going to be there for us and give us a good life. But now, I want to create a life of my own. I want to form my part. I will make it. I will win. I must win.
Sandra. It's okay. It's okay. Wipe your tears. It's okay. Sandra, we're here for you. Okay? We've all made our mistakes and learned our lessons. Right now, we need to stick together as a family and support one another. Okay? Don't worry, everything will be all right. Everything will be fine. Sandra, it's okay. We're here for you.
United by blood, we are stronger when we come together.
I know you all are surprised to be here, but I call everyone for a reason. Firstly, I want to say a big thank you to our host, Jerry, for being so amazing since we got here.
It's not a problem.
You're a good person, Jerry. I know a lot has happened, but I want us to forget about it and move forward. We have a burial plan and conditions to meet. So we need to know what it will take to build the house, because that is going to be our family house. I alone cannot carry the responsibility. That is why I called you all here to come so we can deliberate and put heads together so we can achieve our target.
Well, as you already know, we do not have much, but that won't stop us from contributing the little we can to support you.
Yeah. I have some expensive jewelries I bought the last time I went to Dubai. I can sell them to raise money to support you.
Okay.
I think I have some drugs I can sell to contribute.
Who is this one? We are talking of how to bring you out of the ones you've been taking all this while. You want to... Okay, I beg, restless.
In fact, you must return those drugs to whoever it belongs to. We do not want your drug money. After listening to all of you, I've decided that I will also make a contribution for this.
Oh no. Jerry, you have done more than enough. Please, let's take it off from here, please.
Mama belongs to all of us. So we will find out the total cost and I will contribute half of it.
Oh, Jerry, you have done more than enough. Please, let us take it off from here, please.
We shall not talk about this anymore. Also, just to pre-inform all of you, there will be a party tomorrow.
A party?
Yes.
What are we celebrating?
It's my birthday.
Oh, happy birthday in advance.
Thank you. And being an orphan, I would love to spend it with all of you.
Thank God I'm back from the hospital. I won't miss tomorrow's enjoyment.
What's he saying?
You won't understand, don't worry. So, that is it, and we just have to start planning from now.
So, what's the plan for the party celebration?
Jerry, I called you out here to specially thank you for all you've done for my family and I. I really appreciate. You are more than a brother to me now. God will continue to bless you for all you've done. Thank you. Thank you so, so much.
Calm your mind. Mama belongs to all of us. She belongs to all of us, bro. Being an orphan, I didn't experience the love and care of a mother. But the few times Mama stayed with me, I felt the impact. I felt the care and the love. It surprises me that none of you saw the value in her. Maybe because you all grew up with too much of it, unlike me. So please, Mama belongs to all of us, and we will do the best for her now that she's not alive.
Yeah. You know, meeting you has opened my eyes to a lot of things, to things I know nothing about in the past.
I guess it's true what they say, that everyone and everything happens for a reason.
Yeah, you're right. If only I have the chance, if I have the opportunity to have her back, I will treat her like the queen that she is. I will love her and make her happy every day. But sadly, I'll have to do that to the cops now. Just like my friend Pete said, God blesses us to bless our family. But look at me now. Because of my pride, look at what my family has turned out to be. My brother is now a drug addict.
Oh, don't say that. Don't say that. Please. Your family, your brothers, your siblings, they are all alive. And you can help them. Things can change. The one person you can't do anything for right now is Mama. But we will do the best for her burial. We will.
Yeah. Look, Jerry, I just want to say thank you for everything you've done. You've been amazing. Thank you for bringing my family back together.
It's okay, man. Thank you. Be a man. Everything will be fine.
Hey, babe.
Am I an evil person?
No. No. Listen, we are not perfect, okay? We learn as we go through life. The most important thing is that we do not leave the lessons it teaches us. Imbibe it and move ahead. Hmm?
Sorry.
Shh.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry for all the lies, the deceit, everything I've done.
Shh. It's okay. You have to rewrite your wrongs, the ones that you can still right. And let go of everything, okay? Life is not that difficult. We make it difficult. Okay? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Wrong to my mom.
It's okay.
It's okay. We are one blood, united by blood. We are stronger when we come together. Oh, let's end the fight and come back as a family. We need to end this war between us.
What's going on?
What's that for?
What's going on here?
What's up about the concert yesterday?
Why is there a problem?
How can we have a party without a cake?
Without the cake? Oh, right on time. The cake is here.
Oh, nice.
Behave yourself. That's my beautiful wife. Yeah.
And voila. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye.
Cake is here.
We have a cake, guys!
Yeah.
I don't get. Who baked this cake for you?
Why? What is wrong with it?
I wrote happy birthday,
Mom.
Oh. Well, that is what you get around here.
Okay, just a few minutes, I will script it out.
Wait, cake is cake. Let's just scoop out the mom and leave happy birthday.
No, we're not scraping anything away. Please. It's actually correct. Please sit. It is correct.
How? You're not Mama. What are you talking about, Jerry?
You say today is not actually my birthday. Today is Mama's birthday.
Oh no, God. I totally forgot. Today is actually Mama's birthday. Wow. So, are we going to celebrate a posthumous birthday? Is that it? Because she's no longer alive.
Why? Why posthumous?
Mama is not here with us now. She has crossed over. Right?
Who says she's dead? Did you see her body? Mama is actually alive.
What is he saying?
Mama!
stays in here?
Mama.
What stays in here? Where are you running to?
Mama.
Thank you so much.
Mama, you gave me a big fright.
I'm sorry.
You really scared me.
I'm sorry.
I thought something had happened to you.
I'm sorry.
I thank God that He came through for you. Mama, I've been thinking a lot. And I am determined to gather all your children under one roof.
Hi, my son, if you can do that for me, I'll be very grateful to you all the days of my life. I will pray for you.
Mama,
thank you.
I will not only gather them under one roof, I will unite all of them.
Hey, thank you.
But I'm going to need your help.
What do you want me to do? Just say it and I'll do it.
I have a plan, and I need you to play along. First, I need someone that you're close to from your family. Someone I can discuss this plan with, that can play along too.
The only family member I have is my late husband's brother. His name is Amadi.
Amadi?
Yes.
Okay, well, that's enough for me.
Thank
it's
you.
more than enough. I will speak to him.
Thank you for everything you've done for me. God will bless you. Heaven and earth will favor you. It shall be well with you. It shall be well with you by morning, by noon, and by night. Thank you, my son. Thank you.
Mama, please. We are sorry. Please forgive us. Please. Now that God has given us a second chance, we will not misuse it. We won't. I promise I have changed. I promise never to be selfish again. I promise. And from now on, I will build and invest in my family. I promise, please. Please, Mama, please. Please forgive us. We are truly sorry. Sorry. Everyone, please, please. I would like to have a little of your time. I have something special to say. I want to use this opportunity to say a big thank you to someone special, someone amazing in our midst. It is because of him that it's possible for me to have my family back. Thank you, Jerry. I wouldn't want to say much because I don't want to cry. So I don't spoil my makeup. Thank you so much, Mr. Jerry, for all you've done. I am extremely grateful. God bless you abundantly. You are a wise man. For making this a reality, you are a wise man. I am really, really grateful.
So, since we don't have a burial, can we now plan a wedding?
Wedding?
Yes.
Whose wedding?
Hey, darling. I know we didn't do the right thing. I did not do the right thing. But now that I have my family and my uncle as an elder, I think it's the right time. Okay, come here. Jerry, I promise you that from now on, you are no longer an orphan. You are my brother, our brother. Yes. And that is your mother.
My son.
I also want to say something. I initially bought this house to start a family. And now that we don't have any burial to plan, let's all stay here and enjoy ourselves. Mama.
My son.
This is my mama.
Yes.
This is your mama. So this is now our family home. And until we can build the mansion that we want to build for our family, you all are welcome here.
Thank you, Jerry.
Thank you, Jerry. Thank you, Jerry.
God bless you so much.
God bless you. God bless you, my son. God bless you.
So let's toast to
Bless you.
a beautiful, happy, and a wonderful family. Toast to a beautiful family.
Give me my Olemi toast too. Cheers, everybody. Cheers.
To a beautiful family. Yeah.
Hey, stop posting for free. Your videos are worth millions. That's right. Every view, every like, every share on your videos should pay you. At Aforevo MCN, Africa's #1 YouTube partner, we turn your creativity into cash flow. From YouTube to TikTok to Facebook, we handle the stress while you watch your money grow. Creators working with us are already cashing out, some earning millions just by doing what they love. With channel monetization, brand deals, translation into different languages, and video protection from illegal use, we make sure you win. Don't just create for fun. Let your creation earn you lots of money. Join Aforevo MCN today. Start by sending an email to marketing@aforevo.com or call +234 816 992 5722. You can also visit our website mbi247.com. Aforevo MCN, your home of content creators.
Peace is better. We don't have to fight. We are one blood, united by blood. We are stronger when we come together. Oh, let's end the fight and come back as a family. We need to end